This is a quick user guide to using the Danfoss TP9000 electronic programmable room thermostat and domestic hot water timer. The system allows you to set the program for heating your hot water and also for your heating through your radiators. The system shows clearly the hot water indicated by the tap and the radiators, which is your heating, and using this button you can flick between them. The important thing here is that before you enter into any kind of programming arrangement, you need to make sure that you have the right function selected before you then start trying to program the system. So in this instance, we want to do the heating. We need to press program whilst the bar is over the radiator symbol. If you don't, then it will be over the hot water and you'll enter the programming arrangements for that. So if we want to go into the heating program cycle, we then press program whilst the bar is overheating, and then we've got the days. Now I've got mine set to a 5-2 arrangement, so it has the same for the days of the week, and then we can program the weekend as a separate program. Once you've set the time and the temperature, you set the temperature using these buttons, and you set the time using these buttons up and down. Once you've set that, press next and it will take you on to your next cycle. I've got mine set for 4 cycles, so I have 4 different programs available during the week and at the weekend. You can have 2, 4 or 6. Please see my other video for how to make those changes. Once you've set those various programs, come back out into the home screen, and then you can switch across to the hot water and then make the programs there again. And you can have 1, 2 or 3 different events in this programming sequence. And that's on and off, on and off, and on and off. If you want to make any manual changes, you can either use the boost button, which will boost for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, on top at the current cycle that you're on. You can also do this using the radiators, and again set for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, in addition to what you're already operating at the moment. Whilst you are in the heating mode, you can change the temperature accordingly, just manually, and that will stay as it is until it gets to the next program cycle. And that's pretty much it for this installation. I will then post a video about how to make some of the more complex changes to how the system is set up in terms of how many cycles you want per day and what type of cycles they want. And you can have either a daily program which will run the same every day of the week for 7 days. You can have a 5-2 arrangement where you'll have a Monday to Friday program and then a weekend program, or you can have a 7-day program where the 7 days are run separately to one another. But please find my other video for that. Thanks.